Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips, these credits are lit.
Olá! Hoje é dia 12 de maio de 2026 e eu tô aqui no novo cartão postal do litoral paranaense, a Ponte de Guaratuba, ou Ponte da Vitória, e ela tá aqui atrás de mim. Eu vou voar com drone, vou seguir o meu carro e cruzar a ponte. Ó, a ponte está aqui atrás de mim, ó ela. Então eu vou fazer isso, vou filmar, vou fazer o tipo tracking, né? Que é o drone seguindo o carro. Vamos lá fazer esse voo? Então vamos lá.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. These confessions of dejection and despair, when some great rapture is lingering in the air, I feel like jumping in your blanket. I feel like climbing in your cave. Your flesh attracts me like a magnet. Your cunning traps me like a cage. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our
Então é isso. Espero que tenham gostado. Esse eu acho que é meu último vídeo sobre essa ponte aqui, a trajetória da construção da Ponte de Guaratuba. Espero que tenham gostado e até a próxima. Tchau, tchau.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy and getting heavier still. If you need or want me, I'm never too hard to find. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I, our footsteps in perfect stride. In the calm of twilight, when your night's been so long, you try to do right, but everything turned out wrong. When I need or want you, you're never too hard to find.